welcome. So we'll go to the section called artificial moral agent. Moral agent, like Wendell Wecken introduced the concept of artificial moral agent (AMA) in this book called Moral Machine. There's a book called Moral Machine written by Wendell. So you can go and see that on Amazon. For Vanek, AMs have become a part of research landscape of artificial intelligence as guided by its two central questions, which he identified as: does humanity want computer make moral decisions? Okay, like, does humanity want computers to make moral decisions? Okay, this was the question raised by him. Can robots really be moral? And for Vanek, the question is not settled on the issue of whether machines can demonstrate equivalent or moral behavior. Okay, like humans, they demonstrate the moral behavior. Can robots and AI applications do that? Unlike the constraints which society may place on the development of AMAs. Okay, so this is artificial moral agent. So like the agents who can they demonstrate all these things, moral behaviors and all moral values, or like humans have. So in next video we'll go and study machine ethics, and eventually we'll go to friendly AI and regulations and in fiction and all. So thank you so much. Let's go to the next video where we learn machine ethics. Thank you.